Hi, everybody. I'm Chris. This is Kim. We're doing our 6th annual charity event benefiting the Fallbrook Food Pantry.
Listen, now that we've piqued your interest in doing this Zoom dinner, we want to tell you exactly how to use Zoom. Zoom is an app that is free to everybody. And so when you choose the night of your dinner, you will get a link specifically to your specific dinner party. When you click on that link, it'll prompt you to join the meeting. It may, however, tell you you need to download the app. It's free. You click on that button that says download the app, you run the app, and then you join the meeting. Once you've joined the meeting, it'll say, do you want to join the audio from your computer? It'll say, use computer audio. The answer is yes. You click on that. It'll then say, join video. You click on that. Once you've done that, all of the people that are participating in that dinner that night will appear on your screen. Now there's a button at the right called expand. It's a little icon that looks like you're expanding a square. And when you click on that, it'll take you to the Brady Bunch kind of a look where you've got boxes all over of all the different dinner parties that are going on. You'll get to see all the people participating. Once you're in that, we have an administrator who will mute everybody. However, down at the lower left, there's also a button where you can press on the unmute and you can speak. So when you're going through your dinner party, you see, oh my gosh, you didn't realize Susie and Jim, they bought a dinner party also. You can unmute and go, hey, Susie and Jim. They will hear you. When they unmute, they can then talk to you. So there are other fun buttons at the bottom. There's one that's called reactions. And in the reactions button, you can give a thumbs up, you can clap, and it'll appear in your little box so that everybody else can see what's going on. There's also a button on participants where you can raise your hand. Now, I don't think you need to raise your hand. Just unmute your button and talk away.
All right, well, I know we just gave you a whole lot to digest, and we realize that. So what we're gonna do is a few days before the dinner party, you're gonna receive an email. That's your opportunity to download it, have your own little cheat sheet so you'll know how to do this stuff. But the whole idea is have fun, raise money, give back to the community. Because you know what? When you're hungry, nothing really else matters.